put your best foot joke in the comments down below. I'm going to get so many subscribers for this background. Not necessarily the ones I want, but they will be mine. All right, let's jump back into our Discord tutorial here. Let me crank up the screen sharing. And today we will be covering pins. Yay, pins. If you don't know what a pin is, that's essentially a sticky or a bookmark if you're familiar with those older terminologies. But it's just a point of reference of, hey, this is important. Um, and it's important enough where it comes up frequently, or it's important enough where it's valuable and you'll have to discover its value yourself. And the moderator, in this case is me, selects what gets pinned in all the various channels we have. Each channel has about a 50 pin limit to it. Not to say we can't make arrangements for more things, but that's sufficient. So, how does it all work? Well, if you're using the desktop application, you should be, if you're following along in this series. Every channel, we're in the eBay channel right now, has a icon. It has an emblem right here. When we hover over it, it's called Pin Messages. It looks like a thumbtack or a pen tack. Ha ha ha. If you click it, I'm, I'm going to get unsubscribes for that joke. Anyway, it will open up all the things I append in that channel, uh, from the latest to the oldest. But let's say I wanted to look to see if there was some context around the post. Like normally there's conversation before something is pinned. In the case of a new server, it's just a stream of pins for our little eBay channel for right now until more people start talking and joining the communications thereof. But let's say I scrolled down and something caught my eye. Let's do, I don't know. Yeah, this is useful. The eBay for Business official podcast page. I want to go up to see what people were saying about this to see why it got pinned. So I would hit this little jump. It's by the X, but I would just click it and it's going to auto scroll on the background there. And then I would just simply click out and I'd scroll up to see if any context was given. But again, no context was given before this was pinned. Um, so if I found it of interest, I'd click the little hyperlink and it would take me to this wonderful page. And maybe I enjoyed it so much, I'm gonna say this is fire, man. So good. And now I have a fire emoji. Wow. And let's just say I wanted to point up, like, yeah, so important. And then I could just remove them like that. But anyway, that's how it works. But let's say I wanted to, oh, what do the stars mean? Let's jump on down to that. See, it auto scrolled for us. Useful. What kind of star are you? This may be another comment you want to leave down in the comments. Hint. Um, you can search for pens in the search bar, but we'll go over that when we talk about the search in its own little standalone video. I think that's going to do it for now, but let me stop the screen share so you can just soak in this background. So good. So good. Come on, hit the X. Hit the X. Make it go away. I don't know. Maybe we should stare at it a little longer. Okay, we're going to stop. Just going to stop it now.